Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Right now, Hidayat family with Ziyad. Today is a still weekend day. Yes, it's a Sunday afternoon right now. So we don't have like a lot of activity today. We only have activity. We want to go to grocery store. So it's kind of like our usual activity. Every weekend is a grocery time. So every weekend we have to go to like a Costco or like a Lucky. It's a kind of a name like a big grocery store in here. So we're gonna stock all the food, all the stuff that we want to use in 1 week. So actually we're gonna buy grocery store to build our own grocery store at home. So check it out for our activity today. Yes, Rehan? Ziyad? Say something. Nya. Nya.
Everybody go to Costco.
Everybody, where you wanna go?
Costco.
What kind of thing you wanna buy in Costco?
Buy toy.
Oh, my toys! What kind of toys you wanna buy?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen? You have a ton of Lightning McQueen at home. Why you wanna buy again? Huh? Why? Tell me why.
I buy Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen? Alright, kiss a bit. Okay. Hello guys. So we're gonna go to Costco right now. Let's pray before going to Costco. Yeah. Come on, Rehan. Billahi tawakkaltu Allahi la haula ala quwata illa billah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's go to Costco. Alright guys, so this Costco is a kind of like 15 minutes from our house. So we gonna buy something that yeah, we gonna stock something for next 1 week at home. So we gonna buy some food and everything. So right now from Martinez to Concord is kind of like a 15 minute. Right now the traffic is just fine right now, because you know what, in US usually people on Sunday they already have like it's a rest time, so there's not a lot of people going out, because Sunday is a kind of like the time, it's like a family time at home. So for it's like the male adult also have like a sport going on TV, so it's kind of like not so crowded. I'm gonna show you how the traffic right now. Are you fine? What you eat right now? What's that? Goldfish? Alright, is it nice? Why didn't you share with Adik Ziyad? Share with Adik Ziyad. Adik Ziyad, you want some? Share with Adik Ziyad. Good job. Give some. Give some. Oh, cannot reach that. Oh, thank you. What did you say, Adik Ziyad? Thank you. Rehan, you're so kind, Rehan. I'm really proud of you. Why didn't you share to Abi? One. Thank you. You know, Rehan, where is Toys R Us? Yeah, that's Toys R Us. Did you remember we went to Toys R Us like last month and we buy some toys there? Yes?
We buy some Lightning McQueen.
You wanna buy Lightning McQueen again at Toys R Us?
Toys R Us.
Oh, okay, alright. Next time, okay, we gotta go. Halo Muti. Everything is fine? Putih driving guys. Ini sekarang di Amerika cuaca lagi enak. Lagi cuacanya sekarang lagi kira-kira 14 derajat Celcius sekarang. Jadi orang-orang udah pada keluar, udah pada jalan-jalan, udah banyak kayak activity di ini apa? Kayak outdoor activity, kind of like outdoor activity. So in the morning you can see like a lot of people is jogging outside, and then yeah, but unfortunately right now I'm in the morning. I cannot make up in the morning because I have a night job, guys. So in the morning I just got sleep. So this is kind of like my morning right now. So right now it's kind of like what's the name? It's a 4 p.m. So 4 p.m. is my morning time. So night time we're gonna be, it's like my work job. So I have to go to office tonight. Look at that, the traffic jam is not so crowded.
It's a traffic jam.
It's not so traffic. It's not so crowded. And traffic jam is just okay. Oh, you already reached Costco there. Okay. Look at that. It's difficult to find parking lot or not? What? Can you find it? Can you take a look?
Here, there.
In where?
There.
No, they have someone there parking. Find empty parking lot. Can you see that? Hello guys, we are in Costco right now. Hello. So guys, before entering Costco, so you have to show the ID card to the guy behind me. So he gonna check, because this Costco is kind of like the the subscribe membership. So you have to pay like a yearly fee for the Costco. So it's kind of like what is it? It's kind of like exclusive grocery store. Hello. Look at it, I saw. And then he said, okay, come in. Alright, is it? Hello, we are in Costco now. Look at behind me. Look at Costco. That's so big. That's so big. Rehan, what do we want to buy today?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. You want to buy toys? Let's check out if they have toys. But you have a lot of toys already at home. Rehan, look at the big wagon here. Look at the big wagon. Look at Costco, they're so big. They have, this is the clothes section, and then there the hardware section. So right now they kind of like selling for summer stuff right now. So they have like recreation, like what's it? They selling kind of like a tent for summer, and then they're selling a wagon, and then they're selling something for the recreation, you know. Nih lagi. Who is this?
That toy.
Who is this guy?
Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. Alright. They all in the cars Disney. They all in the car Disney. And you want no chips, Rehan?
Oh, cheap.
Which one you want? You want this? This one?
No, this one cheap.
This chip?
This cheap.
You like it?
I'll eat it at home.
Oh yeah, you did at home. Alright, bring it.
I'll
It's
eat.
so big. How about this one?
This one house.
Okay, so where are you gonna install them?
It's backyard.
In our backyard? I don't think so. Our backyard is big enough to handle this. It's too big, Rehan.
But
Alright, so how about if we buy it next time once we have our own house? I mean, What do you say? Amin.
Amin.
Rehan, are you happy today? Each of you get a book. Rehan got a book. Got one book. What book is it, Rehan? Can you tell me what kind of book is it?
Disney book.
A Disney book. All right. So what story inside the book?
It says flying goat.
And then?
It says princess.
All right. And then?
It has princess over. It has Pinocchio.
Okay.
Almost. It's about princess, Rehan. Do you want to change another one, Rehan?
I don't think so. It's for a boy. It's for a girl.
It's
It's
for a boy.
No. Rehan.
Magic.
Okay.
Magic.
Yeah. We're gonna pay first. We're gonna pay first. Your trip, okay? Oh yeah, that's one also.
I didn't want it.
On your left side, give it. Then. What? Thank you. What do you say, Rehan? Thank you.
Give it a smiley face.
Yeah, so he's what? Smile. Oh, he give like smile face for you because you're always smile. What is your smile? That's. Alright guys, we're already in the car right now. We done our grocery store today. Rehan is already get his book. Okay, that's Disney book. And then ada Ziad, you get another book also.